I have a brand new spreadsheet just downloaded from TradeStation Integrity Group. They sent it to me today. This will greatly help us with our rollovers. This is for the 2021, and you can see it gives you the rollover dates in advance. We use the continuous contracts for our rollovers, and as you scroll through the sheets, you can just go to each date and see what the rollover month is, or which contract is being rolled over on any given day. Today's August the 17th, for example. And on August the 20th, you can roll the euro dollar. You can also see the rollover months, HMUZ. If you don't know what those are, you can Google that. For example, something like crude oil. If you look at crude oil, FGHJKMNQUVZXZ. Those are each month. F is January, G is February, H is March, so on and so forth. So Z is December. It gives you the rule 2 business days before expiration. So you can go to the CME group and look at the crude oil contract and see what the expiration date and do the rollover, and you would know when the rollover would occur in the future as well. Based on that rule alone, that's how they do the contracts. And we've relied on the Orange C method, so this is a great tool to have if you're a seasoned futures trader. If you're like me, you're very excited. It's very valuable to know this. I've been watching the continuous contract for the Orange C, waiting for data changes and then updating and knowing the day of when they're going to roll over. And I did not know this resource was available, and I have it, and I have it available for download. You can download it above or below this video. I'm making this video now, and then I'm going to put a post, and then you can have this spreadsheet. You see the red months, those months are skipped. For example, soybean oil, August and September, October are skipped. So if you're trading soybean oil, you trade July, and then most of the volume and open interest are on December soybean oil, even though there are August, September, and October contracts. You just trade December, and this has been the way it's been for a while. It's not a TradeStation thing. That is a market thing, and so regardless of what broker you're on, they'll point you to the most active front month, and typically you skip the red months, which are inactive. Gold is the same way. We went from August to December. There is an October gold contract trading right now, but it is not as liquid as the December. So we trade the December gold contract right now. So that's fine with me. Less rollovers is better for me, so I'm glad to skip less liquid contract months and do less rollovers. So download this spreadsheet. We'll work on also getting a new calendar each year so we can have this instead of using the Orange C method. Hope you appreciate it as much as I do. I definitely appreciate having this spreadsheet and knowing in advance instead of checking the continuous contracts constantly. For now, I would still check those continuous contracts on those dates to make sure they are rolled over, around that time frame on an end of day basis.